Jason here at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil changes, rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Rams. I want to show you this beautiful tray we just got in just the other day. 2017 GMC crew cab Denali, guys. Yeah, you don't see many of these. It's got the 6.2, so it's got all the right equipment in this truck. Also some aftermarket fuel wheels, 18-inch, which is a nice added touch. Some AT tires on there as well. Tonneau cover, power boards on this truck as well. Leather interior. And they've even went, so again, a nice clean trade, guys. It's got the wrap on the front of the truck already, so you don't have to go out and spend another $600 or $700 on that. The GMC product here, nice tow hooks built into the front. Your sensors there as well. We'll pop open the hood. You don't see many of these running around today. This is 6.2 liter, beautiful motor, great fuel economy, and lots of towing power on this truck. Service points are all marked in yellow for you. Dual airbags on the front end of this truck, as well as the breakaway motor. So I'll show you the side of it. I just want to point out these tires again, guys, because they're basically like brand new tires. No need to get in the used truck with brand new tires. Nice wheels on it. Again, fuel 18-inch. The power boards, which is really nice option. And if you have a peek inside again, a Denali with the Bose sound system, the wood trim in it, lots of space in this truck. Has the sunroof in it. Tonneau cover, so you don't have to worry about adding a tonneau cover in there. Lock your goods and services in the back of that truck. The wiring package, trailer tow package, backup camera, lockable tailgate. And the inside of this box, guys, very, very nice to have a look at. Doesn't look like anybody's treated this like a truck. It looks like it's been driven like a car. So guys, a really nice 2017 Denali. If you're not familiar with the GMC product, Denali is their top end model here. So inside this truck, you've got the upgraded leather seats in it. You have the dual climate control as well. You have the power dual seats in it, air conditioning and heated as well. Charging point for your phone in this truck as well. And again, you have the sunroof that comes with this truck. So some other nice features that they've done with the Denali, the wood trim in here, the Bose sound system. So I don't know if you've ever heard anything about the Bose, but the Bose is a top-notch system for home theater systems that they have it in this truck, in the Denali, so it's beautiful that way. And on the side here, you got the power mirrors. Not only power mirrors, power folding mirrors. You got your memory assessment here, so you can adjust your memory to both seats on the truck, program it once, and it'll alter for whoever gets in and out of this truck as well. Again, you got all your controls, hands-free controls here as well. Your nav. So the truck's going to come with navigation in it, so you can tell yourself where you're going to go, what you're going to do. Dual climate control, like I mentioned to you. Your seat controls are based here, and then a lot of other features marked in here as well for you. So power pedals, traction assist, cargo lights, power this, lane departure, lots of power points built into this truck as well. So again, guys, value really good, nice clean truck, good tires on it. I'll show you the back of it. It's a beautiful unit. So in the back of the Denali, guys, lots of leg space here for the kids. The trucks nowadays are really nice as far as features and comforts in the back. So if you've got your dog or something like that, or the kid, they have a 60-40 split bench in the back of these trucks. So depending on what you're putting in the back here, or who you're putting in the back here, or if you want the dog to run around back here, really nice. It comes with the mats right here, so you don't have to go out and spend, you know, $400 or $500 to get mats on this truck as well. Some of the other cool things they've done here, you've got your cargo space, cup holders back here if there's just the two of you sitting back in here, your child latches and stuff like that. The other cool thing they've done, if you've got kids and you have the new upgraded child seats and stuff like that, you have the click system here, so you can just simply click your child seat in as opposed to spending, you know, 20-30 minutes trying to get your child seat in there. On the back of the truck here, guys, you have the heated window, power slider as well, so you can control that right from the front of the truck. And I'm 5'11", so just kind of give you an idea of the space of this truck. I'm 5'11" back here. I can sit pretty comfortably, and still lots of leg room, lots of space back here. Reading lights back here as well. You got your holy shit handles, or your handles back here if somebody's doing a little bit of off-roading there. And again, if you look at the trim of the truck, on the doors, the wood trim, nice features, and extra handles here, adjustable seat belts, curtain airbags built into the side of this truck as well. So lots of safety, lots of value, good looking truck, beautiful color. I'll get to the hearts of it and we'll get on with it. So Redwater Dodge, guys, located a short 35-minute drive north of the city. We'll make it worthwhile for you. We're friends and family operated here. We treat you like friends and family. We're also quick in and out. If you're coming from Fort McMurray or Grand Prairie, to simply stop in here, guys. If you want more information on this truck, simply give us a call at 780-942-3629.